Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn this beautiful bow hairstyle. First, we need to tie this section of the hair with the help of elastic. Now you can see the full tutorial to get the idea about this viral trending hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching the video till now and do not forget to subscribe or bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Till then keep practicing on your dummy. Thanks a lot again.